I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have a very interesting question based on maximum and minimum quadratic functions application. We need to show that it is impossible to form a 20 centimeter length of wire into a rectangle with area of 30 centimeters square. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Well, let's begin by sketching a diagram of a rectangle. Let's say we have a rectangle of length L and width W. So, if the length is L and width is W, we are given that the wire is of 20 centimeter length, means the perimeter will be 20 centimeter, right? Rectangle means opposite sides equal and at 90 degrees. Perfect. So that means the perimeter, which is twice length plus width, should be equal to 20, right? Or we can say that length plus width is equal to 20 divided by 2, which is 10. And we can say length is 10 minus width. Perfect. So we have one relation. We need to understand what is going to be the area, the maximum area. For area, we can write area as length times width, right? Let's write length as 10 minus W and find the area. Area of the function will be then 10 minus W times W, correct? So in this case, we have a quadratic function in intercept form, which you can also rewrite as minus common, right, W, and we have W minus 10. So that's a parabola which is going to be inverted like this, right? And, well, all real numbers. So definitely W has to be greater than less than 10 in this case, right? Otherwise, we'll get a negative value of area, which is not possible. So think like this for time being, that we have zeros at two ends, and these are my zeros at 0 and at 10, correct? And definitely width W has to be between 0 and 10, correct? So maximum will occur right at the center, correct? Which is the average value. So axis is going to be 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So maximum area will be what? Let's put 5 there. So we get minus 5 times 5 minus 10, and that gives me minus 5 times minus 5, which is 25. So we can see that this maximum value is maximum 25, right? So it cannot be 30. So that is one way of doing it. So let me call this as our strategy 1. So where we showed that maximum area is 25, correct? Now there could be a different way of doing it, and that is when we have our equation, we can find the roots, right? Whether do we have a solution for area being 30, right? So I hope with this, it's absolutely clear that the maximum is 25, so we cannot have 30, right? There's alternate way of doing it, and that is we can equate this to 30 and then show that b square minus 4ac is negative. So no real solution. Perfect. So I like you to do strategy 2. Where you equate 30 for area and you get minus W times W minus 10 and show that b square minus 4ac is indeed less than 0, so no real solution. So I'm leaving that part to you. You already have the equation. Perfect. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.